Good morning, investors. Welcome to the 9th of April 2014 market review. As you can see, the Dow, the Nasdaq, and S&P 500, that's the American markets, closed a bit positive on the indexes on Tuesday afternoon. The Dow is currently 10 points up, trading on 16,256 points. Looking at the chart, they went up through the red line and the purple line. They went up there and they actually came down from the previous highs. They're currently at a bit of support level here at this moment, and we'll be cautious for any negative direction that could cause this market to go further down to 16,117 points. And that's been confirmed by the red line, that's the 89-day moving average. We need to keep a close eye on the next few days' movements in the markets and news that will come out to give us better direction. But there's still a bit of negative movement taking place here. Going back to the newsletter, ESOR or ESR. Blue line is the share price. Red line is basically a support level of 44 cents. Share did lose a lot of value from October last year and currently trading a lot of sideways, trading on a price of 43 cents at this time. There's expectation if the share can actually trade above this 44 cents level, there could be a positive relief rally happening to a level of 46 cents, 49 cents, 51 cents to a level of 81 cents in the short term. Please take note to keep your stop loss at 38 cents where the share like to consolidate further downwards. Another share to look at is Barloworld. Now, look at Barloworld, upside channel happening here positively, struggling to break the 115 Rand level in the short term. Currently, line A here will be 107 Rand. If you're in the trade, you can use this 107 Rand as an exit level. With this share like to consolidate to go further downwards. And the levels it will go further towards on technical analysis of 106.34, 105.64, 104.82 to almost to a level of 101.63. Please use a stop loss level of 115.45 if this downward cycle doesn't want to concur. Let's go to the indexes of the JSE, the top 40 index. And as you can basically see, she was in the high, starting to come back here, getting close to the 21-day moving average. That's the green line here. And as you can see as well, there was a positive channel currently trading sideways in this channel because of the uncertainty what's happening in America as well. So you can actually see we're following them at this stage. Currently the American market is a bit positive this morning, about 4 or 5 points. They're going to 4 to 5 points positive, then to 4 to 5 points negative in early trade on the future contracts, showing a bit of uncertainty of direction in early trade during the course of today. So let's keep a track on where this market could take us. Let's run quickly to the retailers quickly here. As you can see, ShopRite, there's the positive channel going upwards. It's currently struggling to break this 200-day moving average at this time, and that price is about 165.05 cents. 1, 2, 3 high levels there at this moment. Looking into some of the indicators, it's also a bit toppish at this moment, confirming that this share is struggling to break this 165 Rand level at this time. If it wants to come downwards, it needs to break this 158 Rand level to get a confirmation of a downward cycle. But still, we need to have better direction where the shares could go with the markets. Looking at Mr. Price, Mr. Price was in a positive upward cycle, testing the previous highs of plus minus 160, 162 Rand, coming down currently testing this 153.89 level. You can see it was tested there, here, and currently now giving a bit of a sideways movement. Still trading above the 21-day moving average. It's still good, but as soon as this share comes down and it break this green line downwards, we could see a downside happening back to about 149.85 in the short term. Truworths did very, very well. It's currently breaking up. Broke the previous highs. We spoke about this level of 81 Rand by Friday, and as you can see on Monday, currently coming to close to test this levels here. But looking at the indicators, very topish at this moment. We need to see if the share can still go further upwards. There's a bit of confirmation of a small positive movement due, most probably. Looking at stochastics, also confirming there's a bit of a small upward due until it reaches highs on the other indicators. You can actually see what I'm talking about here, the previous highs on the indicators. So let's see if this 81 can be broken, and we need to see if it can actually stand there. Discovery. Looking at Discovery, share went through that 85 rand level, starting to test the new highs of about 87 rand. Now above it, here close to the 90 rand level. Still in a positive channel, trading above the purple, green, and red line. That is positive, but indication could be it's very high at this moment. Look at this indicator WR. Stochastics is quite topish at this moment, and your RSI is also a bit topish. So we need to see what direction the market will keep this kind of market shares at this time. That share that's quite high at this moment. Let's go to Capitec. Capitec is currently running between this Fibonacci levels, so beautiful levels. Highs is 206.22, lows to 200 rand, 201 rand. So it's testing these levels here in a positive channel going up here. We need to see if it can break this 206 going back to 210, or starting to test this 206 and come back to 201 or 200 rand level. So currently looking at these indicators, still topish here at the moment. It means shares are very high in price. Technically, there's a bit of upward swing still due here on the RSI, and your stochastic is also showing the share is very high at this moment. You need to be patient to see if there's going to be any direction downwards or upwards. But current trading range 206, 200, nice trading range for active traders. Let's see where it can take us. Let's go to some of the retail telecommunications. As you can see, they're quite topish as well. Currently trading above the green line, that's the 21 days. Look at this nice cycles here, traders. At any time, if the share breaks this green line downwards, and that's the 21 days, you can actually see a similar cycle coming down on this one here. But as we can see right now, was up, going sideways, uncertainty happening if the share can go higher. Some indicators are pointing a bit of a downward direction at this moment in this cycle. Look at this one coming down. So we need to see if there's expectation breaking this 211 rand, coming down and go further down in this small cycle that you can see here. Let's go to Vodacom. Vodacom, wow, breaking up to the 138 rand level, breaking the previous high, still in a positive channel. Now, as you can see, a share is going upwards, downwards, upwards, downwards, upwards. Let's see if there's a bit of negative movement can cause the share to come a bit down. Indicators are quite high. Share is doing well. As you can see, indicators are very topish at this moment. There's still a break up here. Let's keep a close eye on the share, but it's still in a positive channel. Imperial. Looking at Imperial, Imperial went upwards, came physically down to the 180 levels. Now it's starting to pick up. Still trading between the red line, that's the 89-day moving average. Now 181 is a low level here. The lowest level is 180, but it's still trading here. We need to see if it can go back to 188. But the share is currently trading 181, 187, 181, 186 during the course of the day, short-term periods. So keep a close eye on this share as well. Otherwise, enjoy your trading for today, and let's see what direction the market will give us through the course of today.